Forest Europe's a really important organisation for the UK. It gives us a chance to share experience, expertise and learning as well as research. We all together need to be foresters for the Northern Hemisphere for Europe. Diseases and pests know no international boundaries, and as we've seen to our cost, that if we don't do proper sustainable forest management, which is underpinned by science and experience, we are all the worse for that. We need to understand what is the best sustainable forest management practices. We make sure that the UK Forestry Standard is underpinned by the very best of European experience and research. We are in a climate crisis, we all know that. In the UK, we're also in a housing crisis. Surely we can put forestry and housing together and make much better use of timber in construction. We've got some great examples of where that's going well, but we need to scale that up so much more. And timber as a sustainable resource for biodiversity as well as for carbon and for locking up that carbon for the long term, is a really important part of what forestry is all about. Of course, it is only a part of that. Biodiversity is so important, as is the benefit that forestry does for water quality, flood prevention, and of course health and well-being. All of those are an integral part of forestry across the UK. Sharing the expertise and experience across the whole of Europe is so important. Ultimately, we are a relatively small country and we need to make sure that we learn from all the experiences across Europe. That is why Forest Europe and also the state of European forests is so important for everything we do to make sure that our policy is underpinned by experience and expertise elsewhere.